Hey everybody, welcome to the property chat with me, K to the G Zo. That's me. And in this video, guys, I'm going to share the exciting news that I have for you. And it's just trial and error, experimenting things, and trying to make my life be easy, not busy, easy as a project manager using technology. And I worked on Excel, Google Sheets for some time just to make my life easy and so I can be able to keep track of the project of the budget as I work on the project and see how much money I'm putting in here, how much money I'm spending here, how much I'm actually left with. And I created this spreadsheet and it works better. I think it's fair. It's doing the most. It's doing what I want to see. And I'm going to take you through that Excel document to show you what exactly I'm talking about. And it's just categorizing things. Let me not just waste time. Let me jump into it straight. So what I did is I color coded it. It's in different colors. So I've got like things that I need, things that I do, like for cleaning, for building, for transport, I have communication, the airtime, things that I completed just now, roofing, plumbing, butlers. So anything. So I start with color code. Codes, these colors don't mean anything. This is just for me to see that it starts here and ends here. No meanings attached to any color. And we're seating, electricity, tiles, labor, carport, painting. So anything that I buy, if I go to the shop and I buy anything that has to do with painting, I'm coming in here, I'm typing it down here, and I'm putting the price. Let me show you with the plumbing because it has the longest one. So for the first time I went, I tapped everything together, and that's how much I spent for it. And then I tapped everything and the money. You can see as I'm going down. And then what it does is it then puts the total amount I spent on plumbing, which I found it quite easy because I know like if the budget was for plumbing, if for plumbing the budget was 2,000 and I'm going 3,000, I know I'm over the budget. Then I need to ask myself where will I recover? Where will I get this money to recover? And I've got other things like roofing, tapping there, communication, data, everything I put it in there as I go. And what's nice, it's a Google Sheet. When I just finish buying the things, I just give to people and I go to my phone and I type those as I'm sitting in the car or I'm sitting at a corner or something, right? And it loads in there. Even and why I like it the most because after you bought things from the shop, those receipts, they often get faded. You don't get to see what happened. Like in my previous first video, remember I said, I don't know what I bought in here, but I see the total is this much, but I cannot see the details. I don't have that problem anymore. So I work it out, and it comes down here, right? And I thought it was genius, genius, genius. So now I put it together and say, all materials, that's how much I spend for all materials. The labor combined, that's how much I spend. This is just the current project we completed, right? It's 19,000 transport, all of it, cleaning, communication, and it says grand total. It gives me the grand total. The budget for me was 60,000 to complete this project, and then I have the balance. So I'm balancing the things as I go. So 58,668.93. That was the actual payment, actual expenditure, actual spending of the project, and we are left with we have a balance, man. We are left with 1,331.07 cent. And let me show you what I like about this. And if I put in what is this DOS, right? If I put in 2,000 on DOS, and we come back to the totals, and it will say you spend 60,668.93, and then the budget still stays the same. Then it says I'm over budget by 668.93. So I'm over. Then when I get there, then I'm starting to shake. Okay, where will I get that money? And so this makes it easy for me at the end to go and report. If I have to create a slideshow that I created for the previous video, check this video. I just take things and I go there and they're in categories. If I need to add any category, I do the same. I add. It makes my work easy. So I put in the number there, then works it out in all of them. And I think, man, for a project manager who wants to be in the know of where the money is going, I think this works wonders. It's beautiful. I like it. Is it perfect? I don't think so. Does it need improvement? Yes, it can improve. You guys, you can tell me how I can improve. I can improve this spreadsheet of mine that got me excited, that makes my life smooth and easy, and I'm enjoying it. But if you think this is the same thing that can work for you and you like to use it in your project, maybe your current project or your next project, my friends, sharing is caring. I'm going to give it to you for free. No bullshit. No bullshit at all. All that you need to know is email me, elephantkwame@gmail.com. All small letters. Send me an email and say, please share the building cost calculation spreadsheet, or just say spreadsheet, and I know what you're talking about. I'm not going to ask you any question. I will send it straight to you. If you found this video very helpful, informational, and educational, and you like it, please hit that like button. It does the most. It helps a lot of people get to see this video. And if you enjoy this video, you have a question, please type in there in the comment section and let me know what stood out for you, or what could be rectified, or what's the better thing that I can use to track my spending as I'm working on a project as a project manager. And if you enjoyed this video, of course you will enjoy this one, and I will see you on the next one.